What's going on, guys? So I am out here at the 2024 Funtown RV Party at the AT&T Stadium in Dallas, Texas, and we are taking a look at this absolutely cool Brinkley Model Z fifth wheel. Now, I have not featured this on my channel yet. This has some really cool hidden features. I'm sure that this has been out for a little while now, but there's so much to like about this unit. Hang tight, I'll be right back. As always, before we get any further, let's take a look at the numbers on this unit. So this is going to have a gross vehicle weight rating of 15,495 pounds. It's going to have a dry weight of 12,268 pounds, a cargo capacity of 3,167 pounds. It's going to ride on 17.5-inch H-rated tires, very, very nice, as well as twin 7,000-pound axles. So whenever you factor in how much weight will transfer to the back of your truck, this is a pretty dang good setup, honestly. And I honestly believe you could get away with most heavier duty 3/4 ton trucks, but I'd still recommend like a 1-ton single rear wheel truck, mainly for the cargo capacity that you're going to have in the truck to be able to support the pin weight when this thing's fully loaded. Well, let's hop around, take a look at the inside of this thing, and we'll come back out and see what the outside's all about. You can see this one actually has the Rhino box on it. It doesn't come equipped with the Gen Y pin box up front. This is going to be more on, let's just say, your entry-level Brinkley, which is not really telling you a true story because all Brinkley units have some very, very cool features baked into them, and they do some very special things. So let's hop inside of this Brinkley Model Z 3110. All right, this has the MORryde safety rail, also has the MORryde flip-up steps. Okay, stepping inside, check this out. So this has a beautiful interior to it, very modern, contemporary, but at the same time, it gives you kind of a warm feeling as well, especially with the kind of the browns and the colors that are included with the sofa and how things are broken up a little bit. I love the LED accent lighting around the fixture. Up top here, you have another nice fixture. Looking around, large island. They centered the sink in it. It looks pretty good this way. They still give you a lot of countertop space on each side, which is really nice. You still get that really nice upgraded copper tone faucet. You have a wonderful spot for a coffee maker right here. There's your drawers. You can see that it comes with tire pressure monitoring as well as your Furrion camera system. Nice cabinetry. Soft closing cabinets, but the drawers are not soft closing. You have some storage down here. And then this is going to be your pantry. Very nice pantry, a lot of adjustable shelves. I love adjustable shelves in a pantry. And they give you a good number of them in here too, plus some power in here as well. So you could technically put your coffee maker in here if you wanted. Or you know what, have 2 coffee makers, that's even better. Okay, let's take a look in this Furrion refrigerator, which is currently closed off. Let me take off the door stop. Nice side-by-side Furrion refrigerator freezer. Okay. You have your 3-burner Furrion stove oven combination. More storage. Up here is your Furrion microwave. And then this opens up. They put a little rubber thing right there, so when it hits the wall, it doesn't damage it. Very nice. This unit's going to have a televator in it, which is super cool. You have a super wide panoramic fireplace. Plenty of storage in here. That's soft closing, but it doesn't really need to be, I suppose, because you're lifting it up, but it actually works in both directions, so that's really nice. Defies gravity. Now this is cool as well. This is a spot for you to be able to put things, and it kind of staggers it, so if you put like spices, stuff like that, it gives them all their own spots so they don't move around, and you can read them all. Over here, probably waste baskets. Yep, so you have your waste baskets here. Above it, you have a spot for your paper towels, and then you have more storage back there. More storage under here. I like that little lip there as well. More storage in here also. Huge single basin stainless steel sink. Nice tint to it. And this is the new Model Z. So this has an MSRP of $106,195, but that is not what they're going to be selling this for. So before you start leaving comments like that's ridiculous, you want to see what they're actually selling this unit for, and it's going to be significantly lower than that. Over here, you have a really cool kind of love seat that converts into a bed, which is really nice. Over here, you have a really nice sofa that's integrated in with a theater seat, but these also recline. And you also have your love seat over here, so it still gives you that L shape, which is really nice. If you're sitting on this end, it might be a little bit more difficult to see the TV, but it's still a pretty good setup overall. Very toy hauler-ish in a sense. And I think most of you who watch my channel know what I mean by that. All right, coming around this way. So this is cool. This is a bunkhouse unit. So you have your bunk beds here in the back. They have a set of French doors that block it off, which is really nice. Nice solid feeling doors as well. Then you have some cabinet storage, some drawers here. Up top you're going to have power. Of course you have your TV with cable connections up there as well. Nice windows with these dark out shades. I love these windows. Very, very nice. They block out a tremendous amount of light. And they have the screen down here on the bottom and they magnetically attach together. You have your dinette table down here as well. This is super cool, and I believe the dinette table is going to attach to the front of this setup right here, so you can sit here and use this as kind of a dinette. There might even be some chairs, so you can set chairs on the other side. I'll have to see if I can hunt those down if there are any. Up here, you're going to have your control panel, be able to turn everything on and off. You also have Bluetooth connectivity there as well. This RV, I believe, has 2 air conditioning units. Let's go back through. So we have one right here, and this is the new Chill Cube. So this is that super, super cool, pun intended, AC that really, really cools down a large section of the RV. And let's see, does it duct into here? So there is ducting in here, but I don't know if that unit's specifically the one that ducts in here. I've done a lot of videos on this thing. It's an inverter style AC, super, super quiet. That's the key here. Throws out a ton of air. I believe they're 18,000 BTU units. Very efficient as well. Got a nice coat storage right here, or extra wardrobe storage. More storage up here. All right, so we're going to pass by the bathroom, then we'll loop back around to it. Nice bamboo mattress. I like how they radius the corner here so it doesn't take up as much room. And I'm sure there's storage under the bed. There is a good amount of storage under the bed as well. This is a queen size bed. I do not believe there is a king size option for this. You have your nightstands. They look really nice, actually. Plenty of room on the ends. If you have like a CPAP machine or something you need to set on there. This is cool. You have little holders for jackets or clothes or whatever you want to put around. For jackets, robes, things like that. You have your TV up top. You have your AC here. And I'm betting that this AC is the one that's ducted to the back. It's my theory, at least. All right. So you have a wardrobe slide right here. A lot of space. Very nice. Again, soft closing. Nice fully extending drawers. Very functional wardrobe slide. I like that they put that window right there, and then they put a big window on this side as well. It's very nice. All right, so check out the bathroom. This is super nice. You have your multi-head sprayer still, so you have 3 sprayers, plus you have a wand. Encore one-piece shower stall system. You have your porcelain foot flush toilet right here. Max air controls for your vent up top. Then you have your solid surface countertop here. Undermount, it's a plastic sink. Then you're going to have your medicine cabinet right here. It goes into the wall, which is actually kind of cool. Towel holder right there. More cabinets here, and it looks like you have a drawer down here. Oh, just a spot to be able to access, I think, your water pump. Well, that's nice. Makes it very serviceable. And then in here, you got more storage. Very cool. What do you guys think? Let's hop outside, see what the outside's all about. Okay, so starting from the front, working our way back. Again, you got the Rhino pin box here on the Rhino frame. Nice thick baggage doors. You have your Furrion MPPT solar charge controller in here as well. You have your hydraulic leveling system right here, as well as motion detection lights, which are really nice. Under here, you have an Interstate. Looks like a deep cycle battery. There's your hydraulic landing gear leveling system. 30-pound propane can. Looks like you could fit a 40-pound can in here, which is nice. In here, this is really cool how they finished all of this off. Typically, you don't see this area finished off. Looks really nice. They have a radiant material up here. Nice aluminum bath deck. You have your shower controls here as well. Looks like you also have some stereo controls. Very compact. That is super cool. And just kind of a testament to how they do things at Brinkley. Check this out. So this is an access panel. You pull this up and out, and it gives you access to your fittings and connections back here. That is very cool. So you can see everything going on back here. It's all accessible, and you can see how it's all done, and they run things really, really nice and neat. That extra step that a lot of manufacturers don't take, honestly. And then I do not know what that is, but I'm sure that probably has to do with the toilet system, maybe, because it looks like it's right underneath the toilet. All right, let's close that up. Nice slam latches. Again, these steps flip up so you can clean them off. Very cool, huh? Rack and pinion slide out. You have two awnings, one right here and one right here. These are all the squared off frameless windows. Underneath, this has the Lippert Road Armor suspension, has the Cooper Work Series tires. Everything's reinforced under there, looks really nice. I believe this is going to ride on a 10-inch I-beam frame. Yep, so this has a 10-inch I-beam underneath it. Right here we have a ton of storage. So I was not expecting this. This is a lot of storage. You could fit a lot of stuff in there, including things like folding e-bikes. Nice storage coming off the back as well. You have your 2-inch receiver back here. This is rated to tow, 300-pound hitch capacity, 3,000-pound tow capacity, though I never recommend towing behind a fifth wheel or any travel trailer or RV. A lot of storage here, a lot of storage above it. Nice slam latches. You got your ladder to get you on top. Again, it already has the camera system in place. Come around this way. Not a heck of a lot going on over here, but it is prepped for slide-out awnings, which is nice. Another rack and pinion slide. Again, all frameless windows. Over here you have your 50 amp connection, Furrion on-demand water heater, your furnace right there. This is going to be your wet bay. I like how they did this. They split the door up so you can open up your wet bay without having to open up this side, and then this piece right here opens outwards. It's pretty cool, isn't it? Has a Nautilus panel. Also has the Valterra electric gate control valves for your black and gray tank, which is really nice. This is a super nice setup. What do you guys think? Now, as with all Brinkleys, there's always little nuggets that they hide throughout the RV, little cool things that I may have missed a couple, but for the most part, I think I went over the essence of this unit. Again, Model Z. Leave a comment below. Let me know what your thoughts are on this really, really cool looking, beautiful Brinkley Model Z. Guys, if you haven't had a chance, please take a moment, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and we'll talk to you again very soon.